I mean, for me, agents, I have a very high bar.
You just mentioned agents, and I think it's a word that's kind of like the word of the year. People hear it, and sort of there's all sorts of definitions of it. Do you want to take a stab at that and kind of see how you guys see that playing out?
I mean, for me, agents, I have a very high bar. It has to be a system that can be reliably handed complex work, that it can take on autonomously, and execute at a high level of proficiency, where it hasn't seen that work before. And that last part is a critical piece. These aren't just things that are trained to copy. They have to be things that kind of implicitly leverage the reasoning ability of the model to solve new problems. But the kind of common thread for me is it has to be something that you can actually hand something to. You almost work in tandem with, kind of like a teammate. And, that teammate could be a scientist. It could be a software engineer. It could be a data scientist. You could ask it to basically go off and actually write code for you. And then kind of similarly go do the QA, go do all the unit testing, go, automate kind of meaningful parts of this process of of code writing. So slotting into parts of your sales funnel where you have a volume problem, where it's like, okay, I've got, 100,000 inbound leads for a thing, but I've got 5 people to look at them. Can you actually have an agent that can ingest those leads and understand those leads, process them, qualify them, move them through your funnel, recommend, who should talk to who, recommend all the follow-up steps, and ultimately kind of drive a lead toward a conversion. So it's a generalizable concept that kind of maps in any number of areas.